If you're attending the World Health Assembly in Geneva in May 2024, video can be one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. We're an experienced team producing a range of services, including high-quality same-day social media posts that weave together interviews in Geneva with our library of 450,000 stock footage items, video diaries that provide daily content to your channels, a summary of your World Health Assembly visit, and evergreen content using your Geneva visit as a backdrop. Video content is the best way to increase engagement across your platforms. Communicate internally, recruit staff and volunteers, form partnerships and strategic alliances, encourage climate action and support policy change, raise awareness of your organisation and your messaging. If you are an NGO dedicated to fighting the climate and nature crisis, or a company committed to reducing Scope 1, 2 and 3 emissions, please email contact@climateacceptancestudios.com.